Welcome to day 7 of deep cleaning and decluttering. I hope you all are doing just fine today. Let me tell you something right now, girls, that deep cleaning and decluttering can be really dangerous at times. So tonight, I'm going to tell you what not to do, okay? Because I have a friend of mine who has stuff that she buys, and when it doesn't work on her, she gives it to me. Well, guess what? As I was decluttering and deep cleaning, I saw some stuff that she gave me, and guess what? I thought I'd try some of that stuff because she gave me so much stuff. I wasn't able to try it all right away, and I was kind of skeptical. So I tried some deodorant on, and you know what I did, girls? Let me tell you straight up. I put some deodorant that she gave me because she said it didn't work on her. So I thought I'd try it. So I put it underneath this arm, and I put what I used to use under this arm, girls. And let me tell you straight up, this thing right here is not a purse. It is not a purse. It is not a purse. You want to know what it is? It's a perspiration holder. I literally have to put this thing on right here, see? Because I've been sweating so much ever since I put that deodorant on that you gave me. It must have been a sign. I mean, I should have really listened to her. She said it didn't work, but I thought, well, maybe just for her it doesn't work. So I thought I'd try it another day. And let me show you how much perspiration I've been sweating out ever since I put that deodorant on, girls. Let me tell you straight up, I'm going to pour it out. I'm going to pour it out and show you how much I've been sweating. Look at this. Oh my. When will this end? By golly, you think I kept that deodorant? Oh no, girls, I threw it away today. I'm not going to be lugging this big old jug around underneath my arm no more. Let me tell you straight up. But you think I learned my lesson? No. Then I looked and I said, oh, she's got some stuff for my face. She said it didn't work for her face. So I just thought, well, the bottle's already full and I just think I should just try it. Well, let me tell you, girls, it burnt my face. Ah! I'm telling you, it burnt my face. It burnt my face. Yes, it did. Okay, anyway, moving on. So, let me tell you right now, girls, just because people give you stuff doesn't mean you should try it. She gave me something else too. I can't even read the label, girls, but I'm going to show you what it is. Usually I don't show you the products because you know what? I don't want anybody to get mad, okay? But this product is pretty good. See, it says Dead Sea. And then it's in Hebrew or something like that because it doesn't say anything in English. So I don't know if it's a facial scrub or if it's something you're supposed to leave on. But it sure feels good when I put it on. So I just thought I'd just leave it on. And my face don't burn. And I feel pretty good. So I think I'm all right even though I cannot read this, girls. So anyway, I have been working on a few things. But let me just tell you one thing, okay? Hold on a second. Hold on. After my reevaluation in my bathroom, you know what I'm saying, girls? You know these little lovely little things that I put together? Isn't that nice? And then this one that's so pretty curly. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah. And this one right here, girls. Okay, the moment of truth. I've had those things in a ring for several years, girls, and guess what? I haven't used them at all. The only color I ever use is black. So why? Why? Am I keeping this? Am I keeping this? Am I keeping this? No. I'm going to pass them on to my daughters. They have little girls. But if they don't want them, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I will just give it to the highest bidder. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a laugh tonight. And yes, I did do something, but I ain't going to tell you what it is till tomorrow, okay? Just let me have a break, okay? I mean, I burnt my face and I was dripping water out of underneath my underarms. You know what? And I am decluttering and I threw those things away. So that's 2 things, girls. Come on, give me me a break. I haven't seen many pictures from you guys, so let me tell ya. You want some funny videos? I'll give you a funny video. You give me a picture, I'll give you a funny video. All right, have a good night. Bye.